'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love, 'cause too fresh with the scar.
My whole perspective ain't more selective by choice. Hearing my voice, that it is near, and I know that I'm here, but I'm scared to rejoice. And I'm just so superstitious, too suspicious that my wishes won't land if I'm scared to jump. Pay recorders standing at the pump, cross the borders to an awful slump. Music or gas, the method I'm using is brutal and trash. Yet it is beautiful watching progression when no one would ever believe in my ass. Yeah, my girl does, she stay committed, rocker fitted everywhere I go. All the hate about to be acquitted, and I've been permitted to enjoy the show. Real addiction, no self-infliction, my whole prediction is a peaceful man. I want an equal plan where we are all included. If the fall diluted, then I speak to stand for a place where you're all appreciated. I've deviated from a 9 to 5, alleviated my mind to thrive while I mediated every way to strive. Put it in words, created a song, and let it loose. Show the evils why they dead wrong. Drinking cranberry with the Grey Goose. Man, I'm wary, but I pray Zeus gon' deliver a sign in the sky. Let it flow like a river so cold you can shiver. I'm hopeful and showing you why.
All I need is you when you help me do everything I know. But you show me I can fly, I can fly. When I need you here, never disappear. When it's crystal clear that you show me I can fly.